seal up nice and everything.
Eva. Edie. Eva. Give me smiley. Eva. Catch it. Yes. Edie. Edie, my sweetie. Eva, I need to work on something for you, Eva. I don't have a nice rhyme. Edie, my sweetie. Eva, my baby. Bye, Hannah.
Bye.
When I come back, you'll be excited, right? Morning, neighbors. What's up today? So, getting up early this morning because I need to run into town to pick up a package for Hannah. But it's not going to be that straightforward this time. I'm supposed to be collecting a laptop for her that we ordered online. But I'm going to make some, a little tweak here and there between getting the package from Mailpack and delivering it to Hannah. She don't know that yet. And I'm going to enjoy this very much. Look at the condition of this car, everybody. This is what happens when you don't go on the road every day. And so the car basically sit down and gather dust. Half a wash later. Cap, I need gas. Have to stop at the gas station. Morning, can I get 4,090 please? Yes, miss. Alright, in a little traffic now, so it's a good time to give you the scripture for the day, which is Psalm 5 verse 12. This person not giving me any blind, they're looking the other way. Okay, go ahead. Psalm 5 verse 12, which says, "Surely, Lord, you bless the righteous. You surround them with your favor as with a shield." And that is a blessed assurance that God's favor is with us. As Christians, we need to understand that we walk in favor, and anything that comes our way, be good or what we perceive as bad, all things work together for good for them who love the Lord, who are called according to his purpose. It's like a shield. The favor of God just over you. That's the encouragement for today, everybody. And now as I approach this stoplight, I'm going to use this opportunity after this truckman pass to tell you about the plan. Wait, it turned green already. Wow, that was quick. So I'll soon tell you about the plan. Stick 1 second. Want to stop again. In traffic again. So here's the plan. Go to Mailpack, get the laptop in the box. Use this knife, open the box, nice and neat. Then remove the laptop, replace it with this book, 20th Century Children's Book Treasury. So the book will be the new laptop. Then you have to seal up at the package. Bought some of Leila and Zahra's tape. Regular, what they call this, masking tape. That we used to reseal the box. I'll put the laptop in my bag That's the real laptop in my bag. When I reach him, I leave it in the car. Go in there and then I'll just work the surprise from that way, you know? Yeah, so that's the plan. And she ain't gonna expect it for sure. Alright, I got the package. I had to actually open it there to ensure that everything was okay, a part of the protocol, I believe. So, it's time to get to work. Oh boy, this is going to go over so well. Alright, do you think I should? Because how this stay now is like an eggshell kind of a thing. Should I put all this in my bag? Or put the book in these eggshells? Let me see if the book can fit, by the way. Yep, definitely doing this. Fit like a glove. It fit like a glove. I'm doing this. So she'll be seeing the 20th century children's book. Let me just secure this laptop. It's a nice HP laptop, actually. So this goes in my bag. Secure this nice and tight. So now I'll finish up this part of it. Nice little laptop. Back into the laptop box. I'll take this up. This is going to be so good. So good. Nice and believable, clean. And I put this back in this box. And I wrap it up. And I seal this. This is just the laptop. Alright, so that's done. Time to head back over. This is going to be so good, guys. Open it. Your class start already? Open it now.
No, I have lunchtime after this class.
Alright. So we're excited, right?
Yes.
Oh, she is psyched. In her class right now, but she has lunchtime in an hour. So she can't wait. She put on her bed. I mean, actually, I had to take it off her bed and put it on the desk because it's dirty. And I sit there, I said, Hannah, I want it for the video. When you're opening it, just, make sure I'm there. Don't open it without me, please, yeah? I want it for the video, for YouTube. Okay. Alright, make sure. Okay. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to capture the moment when she sees.
It's gonna be a jaw-dropping
lap. Alright, so wait, I am excited. I'm excited. We should probably turn into a prank channel. I don't know. What do you think? Babe? I'm just joking. I'm not all about the pranks. I mean, I am seen as the mischievous one.
You are.
And trust me, I feel so, my belly full. I didn't even know from mama, but my belly full. I can't wait.
Stop, they're going to see.
What time this class done?
11.
11, okay. Ready? The moment you've all been waiting for.
Let's take a seat.
And I finally got her laptop. Money breaks up,
Hey, take your time.
Yes.
Take your time.
Alright, take out the box slowly and carefully, please. Put this box aside, right? The top, there's a top and a bottom. Take it from this way. This side. Yeah. Open it from that side. Careful. Turn it up.
He's very fascinated by all this.
He's like, what the hell's going on?
It looks like a book.
It's like a what?
A book.
Why would it be a book?
What?
What's that, Hannah? What's that? So where's the laptop? How could they give us a book? You know this book? This is crazy. It's crazy. Hannah, why would they give us a book?
Hannah!
What else is in there? Oh, a charger is in there. Great. Actually thought they didn't send this. Maybe next time. We need to call Amazon right now, babe. Come, Hannah, come.
Go get it.
Go in the bag. Revealing for the first time anywhere. The tears were close, The tears were close.
Well, I can't just imagine. She's like, why would you do this to me?
I'm not sure it's confused.
Parents.
Like, how could Amazon send my own book? So this is the laptop.
Wow, that's pretty neat.
Yeah.
That's pretty neat. So we need to order those stickers.
Yeah, to decorate it.
That's a nice
Nice.
size.
Wow.
I love the size of it.
It actually has a fingerprint thing, right here. Yeah, it does. Nice 15.6 inch HP. So this can go into this. Well, you want to finish the day on the desktop, or you want to start using the laptop? We'll make it make it charge up
Yeah, once finished, I'll finish the day on the
desktop.
desktop.
Okay.
But is there? Do you have anything to say?
Yes.
First
Excited.
of all, how do you feel that it's finally here? You can stop nagging now.
Last 4 words. Wow. Last 4 words, guys. Alright, so up and running, you can set it to charge now. And I guess you'll start next week. Brand new.
Next week.
No, as in for school.
For school?
Yeah.
Ah.
For sure, tonight is easier. It's official breaking in.
As soon as school finish, it's official breaking in.
Yeah.
At 2:30 today.
On it.
2 o'clock.
Ah, my bad.
Alright, man. Come clear up here, so. So what's going through your mind now, Hannah? When you saw the book.
I don't expect it.
Never expected that.
Because the box seal up nice and everything.
I went through all the effort. I burst the tape, nicely cut it. And I brought Leila and Zahra tape from this drawer.
Describe the sense of confusion.
But from, yeah.
Put back my tape all the things that's supposed to go where they must go.
The other version of
Two
this.
of those.
Yeah, I took out the other one. It's in the car.
Oh, the one you're not ready to come out.
Anyway, so that was the day. Got Hannah very good with that, little prank going on. And I think I should continue this little mischief, Yeah, this is definitely my kind of thing. But I want to just come back to something. Psalm 5 verse 12. Surely, Lord, you bless the righteous. You surround them with your favor as with a shield. I got this verse actually through the email from one of the neighbors. She just sent something to encourage us. I think it was Novelin. And I mean, she doesn't know how much comfort that verse brought. Thank you, Novelin. The car going to have to wait until tomorrow. The car is actually running on the road right now. Don't have time for that. Oh, crap. Just hit my head in the car. Jeez. Have a good weekend. And until next time, big up from me in my house. Take care.